Here we finally describe what we do in Tuscany once our wonderful freshly squeezed extra virgin olive oil arrive on the table. As you can see, when freshly squeezed, it is very full-bodied and dense. After a few months, it undresses and remains transparent. It loses the pinch in the throat, typical freshly squeezed flavor, but the remaining flavor does not change. As per family tradition, we make the Fettunta, a very simple recipe because is simply there are good things. Let's take a slice of bread. It's homemade, the bread is better. It's a toasted and rubbed garlic. Olive oil and a pinch of salt. It's very good. You will immediately feel the taste of the oil new with a bitter and delicate itching taste that remains in the throat. Very, very good. And don't forget, an excellent Chianti wine. Cheers, salute! You can also taste the new extra virgin olive oil on seasoned vegetables. In our garden there is a triumph of vegetables from fennel, leek, celery and many other vegetables. Very, very excellent and fresh vegetables. We take a small bowl, pour a little salt and pour our oil. They delicate and refresh the palate and are good inside and outside our body. A real goodness. What are you awaiting to come and spend your holiday here with us in Tuscany? Me and Villa Le Torri, we await, and don't forget, on Saturday from April and October we have a free welcome buffet and you will taste also this excellent olive oil extra virgin. Thanks, and if you like, and see you soon. Ciao!